All right, good morning, guys. Welcome to a new pre-market analysis. Today it's Wednesday, the 24th of April, my birthday. Let's go. Well, let's dive into it. Let's dive into the charts because my analysis from yesterday played out, and you can see it. The green area where you look for longs into that red area. Well, not exactly that red area, but just this overall this POI to look for shorts. So let's remove that first. Um, What we also can do, or we can keep this. That's very nice. Can remove this. What I will do is remove that and remove that. Remove this one. Just clean up. We took previous daily highs already. There we go. And we've got previous daily lows still being intact there. Previous weekly highs are taken. So EU shorts are a very nice play. I'm going to do a little bit quick because we're late. It's almost 8 a.m. I did a bit of relaxing this morning, or I didn't do my morning run and I woke up 30 minutes later than usual. But that's all right, just chilling a bit. It's all about consistency. All right. So what can we see yesterday? We got a strong push to the upside. Yesterday's candle daily close above the weekly, indicating that price found its direction. Price continues with its retracement in a very correctional manner. Actually, as you can see, we had that indecisive candle starting the day, then that in-between candle, inside bar, followed by a push. And even that push left some weak. Hold up, there's a hair in my throat. Ugh. But even that push to the upside left that wick, as you can see. And yes, we took the high, but we still have Asia highs above. We also know that we are not yet deep into that. Why doesn't it let me? There we go. We know that we have this overall leg to the downside that we can't ignore. But as I said, if we take up previous weekly highs, previous daily highs is actually but extra, but especially those previous weekly highs, we can look for potential shorts, just short one, not like a swing trade, although it is possible because if price is really want to follow this momentum, we might actually go from there. But just maybe a little short because we have now this range from that low up to this high, and we reach into this kind of pricing, and then from there we can get a long move. So just a little short because we anticipate on price its correctional behavior. If we zoom in, we're going to be a really quick one because I also have to do GU and other stuff. So we can see price took the previous daily highs, Asia highs still being intact, Asia lows still to the downside. And then we got a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, or a low that led to a high. If you go to the 5-minute, there's even extra. You got a low, led to a high, a bearish break, and then you have the bullish break. So this is the last low that led to that high. So what do we want to see? Ideally, we want to see price get up here. As of now, there's no structure to work with anyway. We've got a low, high, higher, low, higher, high. That could be something maybe. But as I expected, that didn't reach back into. Does it? No, it didn't. Didn't reach back into this kind of pricing. So our range is from this low up to this high. And if anything, we're now approaching that 50%. There we go, already popped in. So what do we want to see? We want to see price either break below here or we just wait. And what do we wait for? We wait for price to take out Asia highs, give us some inducement, entry drill, and then we can look for a short. That's what I'm looking at for EU. Candle wise, what can we see? Well, we can see that after we took previous daily highs, those 1 hour candles started to wick. Indecisive candles turn around. This is a strong candle, but it's an inside bar, so not really massive power. What else do we have here? Yeah, those wicks just indicate that although price wants to push to the upside, it doesn't really want to hold that power yet. And that immediate slowdown that indicates that this was just a news move. And if anything, we now have this low up to this high. Which is a very correctional range, fair to say. We still have this demand zone we can use. Why am I still interested in this demand zone? Because we have this nice little trend line liquidity sitting over there. Yes, we could get a move maybe from this leg, this supply zone, or sorry, demand zone. But yeah, it took out this low though. So you got a little of a sweep here going on. Sweep, and then this would be your sell to buy move. But yeah, 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 yeah. Could be though. There's a nice 1 hour PY or order block, which I'm more interested in. A little bit more refined. I would use that. So 1 hour P or OB, point of interest. 1 hour OB. And that could maybe be the area from where we want to long. For shorts, I wait for Asia highs to be taken, and then we can look for shorts. Yeah, pretty much it. GU. GU didn't get quite that far. Didn't quite get back that deep. And so we took internal range liquidity there. That's it. We took the previous daily highs. We now previous daily highs up here. They've already been taken out, or maybe it's that one. Let me check the daily. I think I might be slightly off. There you go. They're equal. Okay, perfect. So we took out the equals there, which was previous daily highs. Unlike EU, we still have previous weekly highs to the upside. So that shell area is still of interest. But we look at this. I'm not ready to sell here. I think, well, following structure, it would be a nice sell, but if you look at that trend line liquidity, it's almost perfect. So I wouldn't mind waiting. And I want to see price take out Asia highs, which are up there. Anyway, Asia high. That's what I thought. Asia low. And although we are inside the premium pricing for this most recent bearish structure, we know that overall we have liquidity to the upside. We have a premium areas to the upside. So I think we might get a slight retracement higher on EU and GU. And if I look at the XY, it might give us a confirmation. Although on the XY, we did take the lows, and on EU, we did take the lows, and we still have all this above there. So I might be wrong and we just flip it. take those highs and then take the lows. And then get a long move. But until that happens, we've got to wait. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. I think so. It's a bit hard to read. Let me zoom out. Bullish, bullish. Yeah, we want to see lower pricing first and then maybe take the highs. Ideally, we want to push up because that indicates the momentum and the price direction. We're almost here, so yeah. But at the same time, I don't know. A strong push to the downside might indicate that price wants to get a little bit lower before we move higher again. So DXY is not really helping me here. Although I know that we have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. We can't ignore that. Why is it suddenly so laggy? What is this? So in terms of that, we know that we have a nice area there. Even got a nice 50-minute supplies on there. Up there. Great internal range liquidity. Just like EU. So if you look at that, then I would say, okay, price can just give us a deep retracement into these areas and then give us a short. But at the same time, it will build up extra, oops. It will be building up extra liquidity to the upside by reaching it there. And it might actually trickle down and then take the highs and then give us a low. So yeah, a lot of possibilities there. I won't be participating in the market anyway today because I've got some stuff to do and my birthday. Got people coming over, or got my dad coming over and my mom and sister as well. So yeah, anyway, that's it. Pre-market analysis. Shorts could be the move here. I'm anticipating shorts, but might be necessary to wait for Asia highs before we look for shorts. GU, I wouldn't be looking for shorts because of that trend line liquidity. I want to see price get up to the previous weekly highs. And I think that will happen. And that's because of the way GU is formed. I think that we might get a move on DXY and EU to the upside. Whether this is a natural move, could also be a little news move. But there's not that much news. Ooh, there's bank holiday. That's shit. Sorry. Bullshit. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, wish you guys good luck in the market. Catch you guys later. And from tomorrow, I will have a more detailed and better pre-market analysis again. Was a bit late today. Peace out. Catch you guys later.